Job site lighting means different things to different contractors. As a remodeling contractor, I work in all stages of home construction and repair. To me, job site lighting means durable, portable, and something that puts off plenty of light, plenty of illumination. I took a look at the Festool Syslite DUO light. The secret to the DUO light is in its simplicity. The Festool Syslite DUO is a sealed LED corded light with a durable 15-foot cord. It weighs 7.5 pounds. There are no switches, no dials, or anything like that to mess with. I like that. It's simple. The DUO throws 8,000 lumens of light in an even and very consistent pattern. The light is distributed over a 180-degree pattern, and it results in no shadows and no hot spots. It's very even, very good quality light. And the end result is that the Festool, the DUO, is able to put off enough light to work in a large area, which is nice. As far as the LED light quality, it measures 5,000 K on the Kelvin Temperature Scale, and this equates to cool daytime light from like a cloudy day. For reference, a camera flash is somewhere between 5,500 and 6,000 Kelvins. As far as color temperature, it's got really good color temperature. It's accurate and allows you to see the correct colors, like electrical wiring. Crucial for electricians and MROs and HVAC techs, and of course painters. So how long will the LEDs last? Well, it's an L70 LED service light, which is designed to last 10,000 hours. The L70 is a rating that refers to lumen depreciation. Lumen depreciation basically means that every light source gets dimmer over time. LED light, well, lighting, doesn't really fail the same way other bulbs and lights do. LEDs just get dimmer and dimmer over time. So an L70 rating of 10,000 hours means that the LEDs will produce 70% of the original light output at 10,000 hours of operation. As far as durability, constructed out of, it's a high impact plastic, rubber overmold. It is durable and well built. I can attest to that. I tossed it around a bit. The DUO has an IP55 rating, IP55, which means it's sealed to protect against dust and water intrusion. I tested this by knocking it over on pavement. I sprayed it with my garden hose and I soaked it. The unit showed 0 negative effects or damage, and it's still in operation today. Portability. It comes in a Sustainer 3T lock case. It can be deployed in several ways. It's handheld. It can be set just straight down on the ground or on a table on its base. It can be set upside down on its head, wall mounted or telescoping options. There is an optional tripod, and it's model ST Duo 200. The tripod is stable and fast to deploy, and it provides a very firm and stable base that is well designed and durable, just like the DUO light. The telescoping neck or stem extends from 54 inches to 84 inches when the legs are completely out. As far as wall mounting goes, the base has holes to mount this onto plywood or a wall mount. It makes for a great overhead workbench light, and it also enhances the overall ambient light of the workshop. I really liked using it. We tested it in our shop here. As far as improvements for the light go, I'd love to see Festool come up with an optional accessory so that when I do a wall mount, I can actually swivel it out and get further across the room, move it around. I'd use it when I was filming, like right now. I'd use it for everything. I'd love to replace my dangerously hot 500 watt halogen wall mount lights. One thing I did find when testing this unit is that the DUO it easily comes off its base plate when it's bumped, and it has to be bumped just at the right angle. You got to find that sweet spot. So it's not falling off all the time, but the tabs do not securely lock the light onto the base. The connection is more of a friction fit, and I think it gets looser over time when bumped with stock, like 2x4 hits it at the right angle, or if it drops, it can get detached. Additionally, the base plate and the light, it's not intuitive how to slide it together. It took me a while to figure it out, and every time I look at it, I gotta try to figure it out again. So to deal with that, I just used some little paint and I painted the tabs so I knew, it reminded me and others who use the light how to do that. Cost. Everybody wants to know how much it costs. The DUO sells as a single unit or with a tripod as a kit. It's like a $300 light alone. With the kit, it's $435. And if you buy the tripod alone, it's $199. So it's a deal to do the kit. There is no doubt that LED lighting is going to take over the job site. It's solving problems on the job site. You know, think about some of the benefits such as less energy used, less operating cost. A big one for me is safety, is less heat generation, less fire hazards, longer service lights of the bulbs, and more durable bulbs. You can bang these and knock them around. It's not like a halogen. Better color temperature of the light produced. The Festool Syslite DUO is an absolute home run for Festool. It's reasonably priced, durable, and gives off superior light color, lumen, and light coverage. When coupled with the tripod, this light, it basically gives a contractor viable solutions to job site lighting challenges. Please subscribe to this channel and read the full article at toolboxbuzz.com. See you next time.